Wagwan everybody, I want to welcome you to my channel. I go by the name of Terry Fashionable, and in this video today I'm gonna be showing you how I achieve this look. Chocolate, you know, she is silky straight, bow and straight. I can say more straight as an arrow. She's all that, yes, straight. Anyway, let us jump right into it. And today's video was sponsored by Alipearl. This is my first time working with them, and these are the goodies that I received in the packaging. Here we have chocolate. That is her original color, you know, chocolate brown. So I feel like it suits her properly. So I'm gonna stick to that because, you know, girl, give her with them names. She's a 22-inch 13x4 lace frontal straight wig with a density of 180, and it also goes up to 200 and 250. And you can also choose your wig type lace. Yes, they have her in transparent and HD lace. And inside you have 3 wig combs and adjustable straps, of course. Chocolate hairline is pre-plucked. 1.5 scoop of quick blue powder and a small amount of developer. Mix them together. And you don't need it to be this thick. I'm gonna be doing a dedicated video on bleaching your knots, so look out for that. I'm using the hairspray to get the hair out of the way because I don't want the bleach to catch on it. I wasn't in frame, right? But what I did was I start 1 inch away from the hairline. I'm using a silicone face mask applicator to apply the bleach to the knots. And after I'm finished with the back, then I make my way to the front. I went ahead and washed the product out, showing you a comparison when you bleach your knots, and it does make a difference when you bleach it. Apply your makeup foundation that matches your complexion, and also apply it to your stocking cap as well. Line up your wig before installing it so you can know exactly what you need to do. The hairline is too much on my forehead, so I'm gonna be correcting it because girl likes seeing her forehead. Not gonna do too much plucking with it. I'm just gonna give it that realistic look. And I'm only gonna be plucking the top. The heaping hairspray and the blow dryer to lay the frontal down. Cutting off the extra lace that is not needed, and I'm gonna be cutting it in a zigzag motion. Using the Bella Linda hair mousse to mold the hair, because remember, so we're going for all that straight. Combing my hair back. Going back in it with the ebony hairspray and using the silk scarf to set the products. Right now I'm pressing her out. After everything is set, I remove the scarf, brushing out the stiff hairline because I need it to be flexible, movable. Doing a straight center part. So I will be using the pressing comb to get the roots flat and the flat iron to get the hair straight. And for the top, I will be using the Ebin Tamer stick to control the flyaways. So now you can see an answer to the straight family. Yes, also straight, right? And don't be afraid to use your pressing comb. Don't. I'm gonna be repeating the same thing over on this side. So after the wall fireworks, girl gonna use our foundation to blend everything in. Girl love to neat and fine because she's a perfectionist. So I'm gonna be using up my pressing comb because I need the parting to be in HD. So she used our concealer to make the parting more visible. And to close off the show, I used a little oil and chocolate to rub her down. And we are runway ready. I can say that the hair quality is amazing. Like, it's very soft and the body is voluminous. And pressing her out, I do get that silky straight look. Like I said, the straight family, hello. So guys, if you are interested in chocolate, I will provide a link down below so you can go and check out Alipearl. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, like, come on now, come on. Anyway, later, and I will catch you on the next one. Yeah.